All right, 3x squared equals 11x plus 20. It says solve each equation by factoring and then solve each equation using the quadratic formula. So I'm going to factor this. First I need to get everything on the one side of the equation. 3x squared minus 11x minus 20 equals 0. So now I've got to factor this bad boy. 3 times 20 is 60. It's 2 times 30. 2 times 15, 3 times 5. Okay, I need a combination that is going to have a difference of 11. The signs are both negative. It needs a difference of 11. 15 and 4. That wasn't so hard. 15 and 4. So it's going to be, I'm going to rewrite this, 3x squared minus 15x plus 4x minus 20 equals 0. I'm going to factor from these guys. So 3 and x times x minus 5 plus 4 times x minus 5 equals 0. So we have 3x and 4, 3x plus 4, and then x minus 5. So we got 3x plus 4 times x minus 5 equals 0. Not done. Needs to solve by factoring. So in this case, x equals negative 4 over 3, or x equals 5. Quadratic formula, I'm going to do it really quick. I'm pretty sure, confident this is what the question was about, but it's negative b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2b. This is the where we're taking things from. That's a, that's b, that's c. So negative b is 11 plus or minus the root of b squared. So 11 squared is 121 minus 4 times 3 times 20. So 12 times 20, so that's 240, and there's 2 negatives, so it's plus 240. It's a gross looking number, 361. So I want to make sure 4 times 3 is 12. Yep, okay. All over 2 times negative 11, so it's negative 22. Is that going to equal 5? Let's see. 11 plus or minus the root of 121 and 240 is 361. What is that? What is the root of 361? This makes me think I made a mistake. Root, what? 361, 19. Well, that's good news. So that's 11 plus or minus 19 over negative 22. So 11 plus 19 equals 11 plus 19 is 30. 30 over 22, negative 30 over 22 is 15 over 11. I'm just going to write this out. It's positive 30 over 22. Oh, 2b. This is 2a. Silly me. It's not minus 22. 2 times 3 is 6. 6, 6, 6, 6. Which also means it's positive. Positive 6. So 30 over 6 equals 5. There's our 5. Now the other way to do this, 11 minus 19 is negative 8 over 6, which equals negative 4 over 3. So what happens when you make mistakes? I'm rushing. Or it's what happens when you make mistakes. What happens when you rush? And I'm rushing, and I'm sorry. Hopefully that makes sense.